Hello, my name is Silas Burke, and my house is just up the hill there. I was walking around my farm. I grow a lot of different crops and everything else, corn and wheat and oats. Used to grow quite a bit of tobacco, but it wore out the soil, so we've reverted over to wheat, and I have a small mill here that we mill a lot of the wheat for the local farmers. But what I'm really proud of is that just recently we were able to form a company of the Orange and Alexandria Railroad Company, of which I'm a state board member, and we've built the railroad that went all the way from Alexandria out to Orange, Virginia, to bring in a lot of the crops for the farmers. You know, before the railroad, it would take us a couple of days from here to get down to the mills in Alexandria, but with the railroad, we can get down there in just a few hours. I'm extremely proud that this town was named after me. Just as soon as they put the railroad through here, one of the things that they always do is that they'll establish a post office, and that of course is Burke Station Post Office, named after me. And the individual that is the postmaster there, the first postmaster, is John Marshall, who is also my farm manager. So it's a pretty close-knit little community here